Pencil Project Pricing explained what you get for your money. Pencil Project is just another diagramming tool. You won't believe how accessible and open it is for designers, developers, and educators. Most people get this wrong by assuming you need to pay for professional-grade diagram software, but the surprising truth is Pencil Project is completely free and open source. Despite being free, it offers robust features including GUI prototyping, flowchart creation, and export options in PNG, PDF, SVG, and even HTML. You won't believe how easy it is to use. Drag and drop shapes, stencils, and connectors allow you to create interactive mockups in minutes. Advanced users can even customize stencils or contribute to the project for added flexibility. Most people get this wrong by equating price with quality. The real value is in accessibility and functionality. For example, educators can teach redesign without worrying about licensing fees, while developers can quickly prototype without investing in costly software subscriptions. In conclusion, Pencil Project Pricing is unbeatable because it's free. By exploring its features and community-driven resources, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a tool, it's a fully functional, cost-free solution for prototyping and diagramming.